Is .Netzip Ionic.zip library pathing failed due to the .Netzip library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows system specialist. Let's repair your internal links and get you back to work. To kick off the .Netzip library walkthrough, I've linked a professional resource to help maintain system-level configuration. This is the .Netzip library, a renamed version of the Ionic.zip library found in localized .NET software. If you see Dotnetzip.dll missing in a game mod loader, ensure you have the latest .NET 4.8 or desktop runtime installed to restore the necessary assembly bridges. Now that you have the context, let's move into the repair process with a fresh installation. Because .Netzip library DLL is tied to the .Netzip Ionic zip library runtime inside a specific application standard, Windows fixes will not help, and you must use the official installer for your primary program to restore the file. If that initial setup didn't clear the pop-up, let's examine the specific initialization sequence assigned to your applications directory. A full system restart ensures that no background processes are currently locking the .Netzip library file. A fresh boot allows Windows to reinitialize its library map from a clean state. Take a second to bookmark this page or hit the like button before restarting. That way, you can easily resume this guide once your system has finished rebooting. If the software remains unresponsive after the reboot, we'll transition to manual environment synchronization. Feel free to pause the video during the sync process. If the restart didn't fix the library error, we need to manually repair the specific C++ redistributable package. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. Before you proceed, let's touch on the essential safety standards for handling shared library files. Warning: many online repositories provide versions of .Netzip library DLL that are either corrupted or intentionally malicious. Trusting these sources puts your privacy at risk and often fails to solve the original error. To ensure your system remains within verified parameters, you might choose to use an authorized maintenance path for ongoing support. If configuration alerts are present, the official maintenance tool below outlines general guidance for .Netzip library. If this diagnostic guide saved you time launching .Netzip library today, please show your support by liking the video and subscribing for more expert-level troubleshooting.